If you think your body is breaking down over 40, chronic inflammation is usually at the root of this. I'm Dr. Jake Schmutz, a naturopathic medical doctor. Some of the most common patterns that I see in women over 40 is that their body doesn't recover like it used to. Energy drops, inflammation builds, things that bounce back quickly start to linger. Chronic inflammation is your immune system's always being stimulated and inflaming a certain area. So when you get injured in the areas, let's say you hurt your knee, it's going to get inflamed, it's going to get swollen. That's your immune system going in there, releasing its healing byproducts, causing swelling in that area. And that's the immune system doing what it's supposed to. We want that to happen. We don't want to totally inhibit that swelling response. Some of the symptoms that are tied to inflammation are aches and pains, right? Chronic inflammation can be related to fatigue. It can be also related to some psychological and neurological symptoms that we experience, that is inflammation of the brain. So sleep disorders, anxiety, depression, all that can be related to inflammation in the brain too. Hyperbaric oxygen is a fascinating treatment because every mechanism of action in our body, it requires oxygen. So hyperbaric oxygen is pressurized oxygen. So that's when we go under pressure. So you go below a certain atmosphere. So it's like you're doing a dive. So when you're at sea level, and then you go deep into the ocean, you're decreasing the atmosphere, so increasing the atmospheric pressure placed on the body. And that has these physical changes that happen to fluid dynamics in the body. And this has a great anti-aging effect because it's helping maintain and decrease that degeneration of that mitochondrial function. People that benefit the most from hyperbaric oxygen therapy are people that are starting to age. Usually people getting over 40 years old, they benefit a great deal because they are starting to not get as much oxygen inside their cells. So this is a great group. But also anyone that wants to have more energy, focus, concentration, want to heal and regenerate more quickly is going to benefit from hyperbaric oxygen because it's going to improve that oxygen flow in there. This is really great for athletes, amateur or professional athletes, because it's going to improve function of the cells. So what should Shoans expect when they get a hyperbaric oxygen therapy treatment? So it depends on what you're coming in for, right? So if you are wanting to heal and regenerate after an injury, maybe you had a surgery, you can expect to heal much more quickly. Results too is like someone if it is an athlete or an amateur athlete that just wants to improve their workout routines, they're going to see that they're able to run longer, so they're going to build more muscle mass. People that are wanting to increase focus and concentration, you're going to see improvements in that. Now, if you are already a very healthy person and you don't have any symptoms whatsoever, you're not going to notice a ton. If you feel like your body is constantly inflamed and not recovering like it should, that's something we should look at more closely. Use the link below to set up your free consultation with me, and we'll figure out what is the root cause of your inflammation.